So we're gonna do a river walk along this bar street. So this right here, this is bar street here. This is the second video I've done of Chengdu. I'm gonna be doing quite a few more. We're gonna be going down and then into there and just kind of see whatever we can see along that way. And we get a feel for what it looks like and the different bars. And by the way, I'm staying in that hotel straight ahead, right there. All the lights on. So, okay.
Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, go to it.
Okay, welcome back to Chengdu, China. So let me kind of explain where we are. So I have the map behind me, and I'm going to be playing some scenes of what I'm going to be showing you later in this video today. And I'm also going to give you, this is behind me, but I'm also going to show you this deep marker, this bridge right here. And this bridge is actually dividing the bar street that I walked in episode 1. Let me show you a little bit of that. And I was exploring a little bit about Bar Street, and then episode 2, I go over and I start walking down the other direction. And I start seeing some pretty cool stuff here too, like this boat right here. So I love it, just all lit up like that, and kind of it looks like, I don't know, I'll explain that in the video, so save that for later. But basically, you saw a little bit of episode 1. Go back, you can, all the links will be below. So there'll be 14 altogether. This is number 2, that was number 1. By the way, number 3, I'll give you a quick preview of that, but number 3 is going to be in Taikoo. So maybe you saw some videos where people are, there's attractive women and somebody's filming them, and there's a lot of YouTube videos like that. That'll be episode number 3, so stay tuned for that. I'll be doing a different video, and now I'll put back up what you're going to see in a little bit in episode 2, which is this one. And what I'm going to do is I'll put all the links down below, so afterwards you can see all 14 of them. And so right now you'll click to number 2 and 1, and later there'll be 14, but I'm going to do one every 5 days. So it'll take a little bit of time, but that means you should subscribe and just kind of stay tuned and try to catch more of them. So anyways, this is number 2, going this direction from the bridge, and the map is here as well. And let's check it out. Let's check out Chengdu.
Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, go to it.
Okay, so let's go down. So we're going to navigate downwards, and we're up on a temple. You'll see it. I don't know if it's a real temple or not. It probably is. Maybe not. There seems to be like a restaurant in here, and it's also like a bridge. It seems like there's history to it, but I don't know. Travels of Marco Polo Asia, so there is a reference here. So Marco Polo. I'm gonna try to capture this one over here too. Okay, so this talks a little bit about this bridge. Okay. And then you got some artwork here, I guess. Pictures. So we're gonna head on down this way. There we got a tarot reader, fortune teller. Yeah, tarot reader. More panda references. I think that's the ear cleaning right there. I think later we're going to see a lot more activities. So video 1, I will connect it at the end of this video so you can see it. But I walked down this bar street. Oh, okay. And I just went around the river. I saw them setting this up earlier. I was wondering what it's going to be, so this is actually ear cleaning. And that's the bridge that we started at. Okay. So we're gonna check this out. I think the lights will be coming on later. A lot of people park their bikes. I think the yellow ones, I think all of these are public. There's that temple up there. You're cleaning?
Hello.
Hello, how are you? You're cleaning? Okay. I'll come back. Thank you. Kirsty allowed me to do it right now, but I don't want to do it right now. But I might later. Actually, I will later. So it looks like this will all open up as a bar district. So we'll see what that looks like later. Let's kind of cruise through here. Yeah, there's dragon boat races on Saturday here, so my hotel, the prices are going up because of that, which is kind of interesting because that might be right here on this river. Okay. So it is a nice, I guess the bars haven't quite opened, but the lights are coming down, so getting some videos of some stuff anyways. So over here is all the bars, and we'll see what that looks like later. I will do a follow-up and try to capture that. But I don't know what time that'll be, but we'll catch it. Oh, here's a riverboat right in here. So that's kind of cool, that little flute. Okay, so let's continue downward. Yeah, that's relaxing with the music. Actually, I should try to take a picture of that. With my camera. There's a woman playing a flute, and the boat turned and I couldn't get a picture with my camera. But if I would have got one, like a close-up, zoom in, that would have been amazing. They're just kind of floating down the river. Oh, they were kind of accompanying that boat. Got some more tourists coming down. Bright lifesavers. Another one coming down. This river is quite pretty. I can see why Chengdu is a very popular tourist attraction area. Okay. That's kind of a cool pagoda up there. Okay, so looks like we got some more activity, but none of the bars are open yet, but it looks like they will be later. Let me just jump over there. Because later it looks like it has some potential here. can see. I can see like musicians all set up, so there's going to be music later. 808 Live House. So we'll catch that later. We'll probably hear lots of different music and kind of looking forward to that. Okay. So we got a little food court area in here. So we still got our riverfront over there. I think this one we got. Let's go on in here. Huh. Looks kind of cool too. There's a tent right there. And some pretty cool architecture way in the background as well. And you have also this little pavilion up there, and we're gonna go underneath. Looks like you can buy beer and food in here. Then you also have the ear cleaning things. And we are going to head back to the water. And it looks like we got a bridge coming up, so this is the road, Siguan Road, Siguan Road West. And I think that might be the bar street. And then when we go straight ahead, it'll change into something a little bit different. So I think the bars will the end. I think we might go up on top of that bridge and just kind of see what's over there. Xinjiang Greenway. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're gonna go up to that bridge and we'll just kind of capture the way. I think that bridge we could only be on one side at a time, so. So I kind of want to see if there's other nightlife on the other side. Let me just kind of go down a little bit. Let's go up. Okay, so that's a little taste of, I think it's called Bar Street, Chengdu Bar Street. It's kind of early on in the day. It's about 8 p.m. I think that maybe, I don't know what time the bars will open and get going, but there's some cool architecture down there. And I kind of want to see what's on that other side, but that'll be a different video. Okay, hopefully kind of interesting.